Stop scrolling. Because if you're even thinking about making money online this year, this might be the easiest play you'll see. Because AI images are exploding. Businesses are desperate for visuals, and almost nobody knows how to write prompts that actually work. Which means opportunity. Let me be blunt. People don't want to learn AI. They want results. Logos, ads, product photos, e-commerce images, social content. And the people who control the prompts, they control the outcome. That's why Nano Banana Prompts is such a cheat code. You're getting 10,000 premium business-ready prompts built specifically for Nano Banana, Google's most powerful AI image generator. These aren't artsy prompts. These are money prompts. And here's the part most people miss. You get full PLR rights. That means once you buy it, you own it. Sell the prompts, rebrand them, bundle them, flip them, sell the images created with them. You keep every dollar. Let's do basic math. You buy this for a few bucks, you flip it for double. You're already in profit. Then you sell it again, and again, and again. No inventory, no refunds, no customer support headaches. That's leverage. And don't tell yourself you're not ready. You don't need experience. You don't need skills. You don't even need to know what a prompt is. Everything is already done for you. Here's the warning, though. The price goes up with every sale. Not later, not someday, every single sale. So waiting doesn't help you. It just makes it more expensive. AI isn't slowing down. The people winning right now aren't the smartest, they're the fastest. So click the link below, lock in the lowest price, and start selling something people already want. I'll see you on the other side.